Aw, shit, fanboys right now will be like, I recognize this place. Well, yeah, you're right. I'm just dropping off my taxes for the month to the king of YouTube. This is the first ever System Skynet care package. Yeah, boy. And what is this? Frank? An opportunity to put another franc in my mouth? I'll take that. That is the best cheesy garlic bread in the world, by the way. Coming home, Frank, you're coming home. He's that.
How you, Eddie? Hiya, mate.
Now, on today's episode, we're going to do some laptop repair. This laptop has had nothing but problems going on with it, so there's only one thing left to do, and that's get the appropriate toolkit out and fix this bad boy. Put it there on my little workstation. Hello, Alan, you here to help? An arm guard, which I never use, and a little finger tab, which is the best invention in the world. There's no strain on your fingers when you're pulling on your computer fixing tools. Lovely. Has a little pinky rest and a little thumb rest as well. Beautiful. Okay, so I think you need a size 9 computer wrench. I have a tube of them. Hit the one in the middle, Rocky. Damn. I fixed that. It didn't really make that much of a crack because they cracks were already in it when I punched it in a mega rage. It crashed while I was trying to type out a very important email. Yeah, I'm doing a good job of fixing this. It's looking quite good actually. You can tell this is a man who really appreciates and enjoys his own job. Yep, it's looking good. I think the buttons look like they need fixed as well. Wing. Who wants a game of trying to catch one of these? This bastard cloud's ruining the light though, isn't it? Oh, there's my space bar. Can't put a space in between words without a space bar. Right through the fucking whole thing. Splendid job, if I do say so myself. I'll have to power it up now. Oh, it's not powering up. Oh, maybe I need to clean it. Oh, that looks like a bullet hole. Pop, pop. Yay, there's all my little buttons that I just fixed. Beautiful. And there's one that just missed the next door neighbour's cat. I wasn't really aiming for the cat, it was just a misfire. The cat wasn't even there as well, I'm just joking. This is what looks like when a fiberglass arrow gets fucked. Yeah, I fixed those buttons. Oh look, there's my lucky number. And the battery that runs the clock. Now, if you need any of your electrical appliances fixed, just send them over to me. I'll have a look at them and do my very, very best to fix them as best as I can back to at least factory standards. And post. Post. Post, 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 post. Post. Send this motherfucker. Ah, you thought I forgot about you, didn't you, Frank? You just been chilling in the fridge, buddy. Tell you what, why don't we shut up while you go find the bottle opener? Okay. Fucking Copperberg.
No. Frank does not taste you.
Don't ever ruin beer like that again, Frank. Yeah, that just tastes like Copperberg. Copperberg shite.